this summer, spring, and fall, low profile sailing fan for a low sailing or anywhere imaginable. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. You got two little handles that pulls it off, protected very well. You have a bracket, a remote control, the sailing fan, an S-hook, the hardware, and connectors. All you need is batteries and a screwdriver and a little electrical skills. You can hang your sailing fan in no time. Go shut your power off and let's get hanging. For my demonstration purposes, I already have a socket. I could hang this flush to the wall wherever I want. I'm going to be placing this on like so. Lock down your screws. Find the hole in the sailing fan and on the bracket, place on, let go. You take the connectors, your leads, you put them through. You get a screwdriver that's small enough to come in, and you do the same like for like. Take the S hook off. Do your best to match up all the holes and lock down. You're going to lock all the screws down with the screwdriver. This is the remote control that you're going to supply your own AAA batteries. And in this remote control, you want to make sure you have it handy if you don't use a wall switch. Because when you turn your light on, what's going to happen is the light's going to go on right away. Let's show you that right now. We're going to plug in our AC. The light beeps and goes on, and you're able to turn the sailing fan on. But please remember, keep your hands away from the blades because it has an opening. It has a nice light that's from a warm to a cool Kelvin. And we have all these controls here. We have 6 speeds. We have a 1 to 2 hour timer, forward, reverse. We have our lighting in the area, a night light, negative, positive of the different kelvins and the brightnesses, the fan off only. And this here is to set up in case you ever lose the Bluetooth signal from the remote to the sailing fan. Turn the lights on and off, and turn everything all off. This is the fan speed. It should go on as it spins. And you could change it like so. If we turn the night light by hitting the center, the light is dull. You're not going to see the dullness until I shut the door. This is the night light. As you can see, the fan spinning. We can increase the brightness. We're at the maximum. You heard the beeps. I'm going to change the Kelvin. And I am going to just hold the button. As you can see, it gets to the warm side. It's not going to go anymore. And I'm going to go to the right. It gets to a bluish side. I'm going to change it to number 6 and be quiet so you can hear the noise. It's a quiet fan. During the summer, you want it to blow down. During the winter, we reversed it, it's going to blow up. So as it's changing its speed to the reverse mode, it goes this way in reverse. It goes automatically to number 1 from number 6, a safety feature. If I shut the fan off or the light off, or shut it all off, we turn it on to a speed after we let the fan slow down. and we hit the 1 hour timer for you, it doesn't show anything but a blink. So it is on a 1 hour. Now it's on a 2 hour timer. This is the brightness maximum, and this is the dullness. It is quite comfortable in the lighting conditions. Summer, winter, spring, and fall, you want to hang your remote control up on the wall, you may do so anywhere you want. You have a switch, you have all the dimmable controls and all the fan controls of this low profile ceiling, flush mounted to the wall. It is great for basements, great for small rooms, great for living rooms, anywhere, kitchen. If you live in a small apartment, this product may be right for you. I hope you enjoy this product. If you're looking for something for the summertime to keep you nice and cool and something very decorative, just make sure you tighten everything down, put things on correctly. You want to clean the ceiling fan, just take a little bit of mild soap and water and a dry rag and do so. Keep your fingers out of the blades, because if you're low like me, you don't want to be under and getting a haircut. I hope you enjoy your product if you're looking for a ceiling fan.